Hi and welcome back to Chris the Stylista, where we find style in the happy medium between minimalism and maximalism to create a curated wardrobe just for you. I thought I was done with my contemporary handbag collection, but apparently I'm still adjusting it. I decided to sell my Coach Cassie in chalk and look for a travel bag, a travel tote. And my first thought was to look at the luxury market, but then for a bag that I don't use every day, I thought maybe that's not a good idea on second thought. So I went back to the contemporary market, and here we are with today's video. So I went to the Coach Outlet website and looked in the reserve section to find retail bags and found this. And of course, I have unboxed it. So here it is, the Coach Gotham Tall Tote in black. The Coach Gotham Tall Tote is a spring summer 21 bag from the Coach men's collection. Right before I shot this video, this bag was still available on the Coach Outlet website, and I'll be sure to share a link in the description. The original price of this bag is $495. It is available on the Coach Outlet website for $198. This bag has barely any hardware. It just has this loop to attach the Coach tag. I usually take the Coach tag off of my bags immediately, but I think it suits this style, and I'll probably leave it on. It looks stylish and intentional here, which I don't usually find to be the case with Coach bags, and I just store my Coach tags elsewhere. The stitching is brown. You can see that. I would prefer the same color stitching as the bag, but it's still very nice. If you're enjoying the video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your engagement with my channel helps me to grow and serves as an indicator to me that you want me to continue to create content. So take a minute, consider it, do it. Do it. Why not? Girl, friend. And now, a size comparison. I'm going to compare the Coach Gotham Tall Tote to my Coach Harmony Hobo and my Coach Willow Tote. So here it is. So here it is, and here's the Coach Harmony Hobo. Holding them, let's see, yes, it looks like the Gotham has the Harmony on length and height here. Oh. Pardon me while I fan Enrich Auntie. So now let's do the comparison with the Coach Willow Tote. Coach Willow Tote, Gotham. Once again, the Gotham gets them in height. And you may wonder, why would you need that extra height? Well, two reasons, in my opinion. So if your essentials are in a bag organizer near the base of the bag, your extras like your scarves or a water bottle, or maybe a magazine or something that you got for a long flight or reading materials, could be included at the top. A second advantage of the height is that it can fit a full laptop. So I have a laptop sleeve that is actually bigger than my Surface Pro, and I'll show you how it fits. Right back. This wonderful case was a gift from a friend and colleague for my college graduation. Oh yes. Dr. Krista Stylista, PhD. That's new. Can't even see it. And so that is another reason why that height matters. You're looking for easy carry. You've been struggling and fumbling with a bag that would accommodate your laptop sleeve and your work essentials, if you choose to use this as a work bag, or even if you're doing business travel and you need to carry your laptop or other electronics or folders. Can't even see it. Perfect. And now we're gonna pack the bag for a travel heavy carry. Yes, let's do it. Let me lay out all the things. Okay, so I'm using a Smorga organizer. This is an old Smorga organizer that I purchased for a Speedy 30 years ago. And I have found that it fit my Neverfull when I had a Neverfull. This bag is pretty floppy standing empty, but it will stand. But I appreciate the structure that a organizer can add. Oh, okay, it's in there. Okay, so I have the Speedy 30 Smorga organizer at the bottom of the bag. Yes. I'm going to put my essentials in. First of all, this is a heavy carry for travel. And so I'm gonna put my wallet in and a lot of other things. A lot. So we got my wallet, we have my glasses, prescription glasses. We have some Lysol wipes because travel. We have some hand sanitizer because every day. This is a soap from the Laundress. It's a laundry soap that I carry with me just in case I need to hand wash anything, so I don't have to worry about liquids or detergent. I bought this little case on Amazon. If I can find it, I will link it. In fact, I'll link the soap as well. It's a stain remover soap, but of course it works great for just laundering things in a hotel sink if you need to. So, but it's so disgusting carrying wet soap anywhere. So this allows it to dry out a bit and gives you cleaner, convenient carry. So next up, medications. BC powder, because I'm old school like that, girl. Some nasal spray, some cough medicine. Girl. All the things. Contact lenses, life. All the things medical. Right here. I have, and it's not in here yet, but I just got a new Sonicare toothbrush with all the bells and whistles. Probably too many bells and whistles, but when it comes to my spending habits and, you know, finding joy in the happy medium, I'm trying to take better care of my body and my teeth, and I want my teeth to last until forever. And so I just got a new Sonicare toothbrush at the recommendation of my dentist, who, by the way, told me to stop using toothpaste with stannous fluoride because it can, for some people, stain your teeth. The toothpaste stains your teeth. And stannous fluoride is in damn near every toothpaste that is popular. So I've been advised to get an electric toothbrush and to look for toothpaste, I believe, with sodium fluorides and not stannous fluorides. If you're a dentist and I'm incorrect about that, or dental hygienist, please share your point of view in the comments. I'd appreciate it. So there's that. Oh, by the way, not only is it a carrying case with a hidden charger, this toothbrush came with so many accessories. It's like a luxury purchase, and considering the price, it really was. Another important pouch is my skincare pouch, which has my sunscreen and 2 topical prescription products. I am probably not going to include my cleanser in my bag because I'm just going to buy some travel size ones when I get to my destination. On the subject of my skincare regimen, water, sleep, exercise, and just kidding, prescription grade medications, topical and oral. That's right. So I use tretinoin, and this is, it's Retin-A, 0.1%. I just stepped up from 0.05. And I use that at night, sandwiched between moisturizers. And in the mornings, I use clindamycin gel after cleansing, then moisturize, and then Black Girl sunscreen. My sister actually told me about this sunscreen. I was talking to her about another sunscreen that was, for a moment, promoted on YouTube as being a very popular sunscreen for Black girls. I was like, oh, you know, this is a sunscreen for Black girls. And she was like, I got Black Girl sunscreen. I was like, well, show me. She was like, boom. And if you damn sure don't say Black Girl sunscreen on the bottle. I really appreciate a sunscreen formulation that does not have a white cast. I do believe this is a chemical sunscreen, which I know many people prefer the physical sunscreen, but the physical sunscreens can just look so bad on dark skin. It just make you look ashen and wild. So, ooh, try the Black Girl sunscreen, see what you think. It gives you a dewy look though, so be aware of that. You know, you look very moisturized after using this. So please excuse me if I'm a bit dewy while I'm shooting. I cut off the central air while I am shooting videos, and also hot lights facing this way. So if I get to glistening like a Cullen in the sunlight, not a vampire, but I would appreciate the youthful skin. And she goes. Next up, a tech case. And generally I carry any cords, extra earbuds, things like that. I just kind of corral them in a separate case specifically for electronics as I travel. And of course, my clay, which I'm going to put in this mesh pocket on the side for easy access and security. I mean, it's a zip pocket, so there's that. And a pochette. And I have this Smithson pouch. It's a little dusty looking, which I generally don't carry this in my purse on a day-to-day basis. I just bring it for travel since I reorganize everything in my bag. And so my carrying case for my contacts is in there, and my aligner case is in here with the aligners in that I should be wearing right now. And I think that's it. Oh wait, there's that. Let's see if that fits as well. So it ain't cute and it ain't light, but the case for the laptop actually does fit in the bag with the organizer and all of the travel items. But I don't like that, so I probably wouldn't carry it in there. I don't know. I don't know, I'd have to ease up on what's in here. I am 5'1", and this bag is an overwhelming size for casual carry. Let's just get that out there. It is. Although this bag is a lot for the petite lady, it's also giving Mary-Kate and Ashley vibes. And I love the row. And I love the twins. They don't even care. They don't care about proportions and big bags. You'll see them out on the streets wearing their huge, huge totes. And it is what it is. I also love that when the paparazzi get a photo of Mary-Kate or Ashley, they look super hella pissed off. Love it. Glamorous. How chic. Girl, do it. Love it. Now, because of the lack of organization of this bag, I did purchase a pouch to go along with it, which was also on the Coach website. It's this. It's this. Minimal hardware, embossed Coach logo. The tag says it's the multi-pouch in pebbled leather. The retail price is $150. I believe it was $60 on the website. It does have card slots inside. I don't know if you can see that. It does have card slots inside and a few extra areas for your, surely not for your iPhone, for your flip phone or for your Razor, I guess, because it's 2005. I don't know. But I'm probably going to return this because my thought process was, oh, you know, I need a case to carry my electronics. And then I found my old case. And so why spend $60 if you already have what you need? You're very cute. And I enjoyed our time together. But you knew what this was. We got together. My boo back in town. Don't call my house no more. Okay, so I am going to show you what this looks like on, and it looks, I don't know, it's on the spectrum. It's chic or ridiculous or chic ridiculousness. I don't know, but I am going to do a couple model shots, full body, even with the feet today, because I'm not in house shoes, and she finally got a pedicure. Yeah, so that's good. I'm probably a couple weeks away from white toenail season, as politics and fashion calls it, but I'm coming. I'm about to get there. Just, you know, right now it's pink. We're pink today. We're pink today. We're gonna get back to white toenail season shortly, because as we know, white toes is for good girls. It's not what the saying, it's not what it says, but that's okay. We're gonna do it. Before getting this bag, I would travel with the Coach Willow tote. And I actually have a video of a trip to Vegas where I created a few outfits and showed you my travel outfit and my luggage for going back home from my Vegas trip. So please feel free to have a look at that. And thank you for watching. See you next time.